So you've put in the hours, you've edited the work, delivered breathtaking work, and everyone is saying wow, but still your payment is being delayed? Does that sound familiar? One of the biggest reasons you're not getting paid is not because your work is not good enough. It's simply because some clients can't honor their word. You've been there, you've done that, you've submitted the work to the last dot, everyone is saying wow, and you're so proud of your work. But now, here reaches the time for payment. Then you hear the infamous lines, "Hey, the finance guy is out of town. Hey, the finance guy lost a loved one. Hey, please send an invoice." You send 10 invoices to no avail. Here is the hard truth. Verbal agreements are no longer enough. First of all, the clients may seem trustworthy, but in the long run, business is not run based on trust alone. It is also run based on clear, binding agreements. That's why every shoot, every job we get, even if they say it's a small event, small wedding, it's a small gathering, or that big wedding you're attending, it needs a contract. Contracts do more than secure your payment. Contracts protect your interests, they set expectations, and contracts also make sure you're guaranteed of payment. Think about it. Would you walk into any store and say you want to take something without signing any document or any upfront payment? Your talent is just as valuable. You need to protect your craft and protect your business that is bringing in the money with a contract. So next time you get a client inquiry, don't just jump into shooting mode. Make sure you have a contract in place. A contract will make sure you turn those awkward conversations into binding agreements and make sure you secure money and get paid for the magic you create behind the lens. If you want to know what else goes into a solid contract for videographers and photographers and make sure you secure payment for every gig you do, drop a comment below and I'll share a template for you to peruse through.